great way to gain more insight on an activity. Let's jump into it. To access an activity card, first you must start in the master schedule view of ProPlanner, which is where we're at. From there, find the activity in question, hover your cursor over the name, the activity card button will appear to the left of it. The activity card will come from the bottom of the screen. Like I mentioned, the activity card is a great way to gain insight into the activity and also find a bunch of relevant information. You can learn things like who is a responsible party, which company is installing the work, which tags are associated with the work, what progress do we have so far, 37%, start date, end date, duration, even the baseline start and end, and the baseline duration. This activity is pushed 6 days. From there, you can jump into the dependencies tab. You can see predecessors, successors. You can even add predecessors and successors by pulling up a link tree, adjust the logic type, and even adjust the lag if necessary. If you toggle the view dependency switch, you'll get a focused view of the immediate predecessors and the immediate successors for this activity. Toggle it back off to get the full view of the schedule. From there, you can also jump into the task button. This will let you know all of the tasks associated with this activity that live in the look ahead. I can see my field team has put together 8 tasks to support this work. From here, I can even progress these individual tasks. Looks like the install and bolt horizontal members is done. So let's go ahead and update that to 100%. Notice that screen wall's progress is 37%, but when I lock in that 100% for this activity, progress jumps to 48%.